The Lithium Gold Rush, investing in Nigeria's next multi-billion-dollar battery supply chain, Channel, Africa, Global Opportunities TV. Right now, a new gold rush is forming, but this time, it is not about gold. It is about lithium, the most strategically important mineral powering the global transition to clean energy. And at the center of this shift is Nigeria, West Africa country. Experts believe Nigeria is sitting on the foundation of a multi-billion-dollar battery supply chain that could redefine its industrial future. The question is, will Nigeria export raw minerals again? Or build the next global battery manufacturing empire? Stay with us, because later in this video, we will reveal the specific investment zones where smart capital is already positioning itself. The global lithium war. Why this matters. The world is racing toward electrification. Demand for lithium is exploding because it is the primary material used in electric vehicle batteries, renewable energy storage systems, consumer electronics, industrial power systems. Global lithium demand is projected to increase by more than 400% by 2040. Major industrial economies are now securing mineral supply chains through aggressive resource diplomacy. Countries and corporations are competing for control of future battery materials, and Africa is becoming the new frontier. Nigeria holds significant lithium deposits across multiple states, including regions within the western and central mineral belts. But here is the strategic problem. Most of Nigeria's mineral exports are still raw. That means value is lost before industrial transformation can happen. Nigeria's lithium potential, the numbers. Geological surveys suggest that Nigeria has commercially viable lithium reserves capable of supporting a domestic battery ecosystem. Industry analysts estimate that if Nigeria successfully builds a full lithium value chain, the sector could generate billions annually in export and industrial activity. The opportunity is not just mining. The real money is in processing. Let's break this down. Stage 1. Extraction. This involves mining raw lithium ore. Investment entry point. Exploration partnerships. Mining technology deployment. Environmental compliance infrastructure. Stage 2. Refining and chemical processing. This is where value multiplies. Lithium concentrate is converted into battery-grade chemical compounds. This stage alone can increase mineral value by 5 to 10 times. Stage 3. Battery manufacturing. This is the ultimate prize. Battery assembly plants can create thousands of high-skill industrial jobs. And this is where global capital is watching closely. A strategic location advantage. Nigeria's geographical position gives it access to one of Africa's largest consumer markets. With a population exceeding 200 million, domestic demand alone can support early industrial scaling. Major investment interest is emerging around industrial mineral clusters, export processing zones, renewable power-supported manufacturing hubs. Development agencies, including the African Development Bank, have also shown interest in financing Africa's green industrial transition. Energy reliability will be a critical factor. Battery manufacturing requires stable industrial power supply. This is where renewable microgrids and private power partnerships become essential, where smart money is entering. If you are serious about investing in Nigeria's lithium future, pay attention here, because early positioning matters. 3 investor categories are already watching this sector. First, diaspora industrial consortiums. Second, Gulf sovereign wealth infrastructure funds. Third, global battery technology companies. The biggest returns are expected in processing plants, industrial mineral logistics, component assembly manufacturing. And later in this video, we will reveal the single corridor where future lithium supply chain dominance may emerge. Challenges that could limit growth. Despite the potential, Nigeria faces structural barriers. illegal mining activities remain a serious challenge. Infrastructure gaps still slow mineral transport, and technology transfer agreements are not yet fully optimized. Experts argue that policy stability will determine whether the lithium boom becomes a long-term industrial revolution or another extractive cycle. Mega opportunity, the hidden corridor. The future of Nigeria's battery supply chain may likely concentrate around integrated industrial corridors. These zones combine mining sites, processing plants, power infrastructure, export logistics routes. Investors who enter early in these ecosystems may gain first-mover advantage, because once battery manufacturing clusters form, entry barriers rise rapidly. What this means for Nigeria's economic future. If successfully executed, the lithium value chain could create tens of thousands of industrial jobs, reduce raw mineral export dependency, position Nigeria as a West African battery hub, attract advanced manufacturing technology. The global energy transition is not slowing down, and countries that control battery materials will influence future industrial power. The question that determines the future. Here is the big question. Will Nigeria repeat the historical pattern of exporting raw resources, or will it build the industrial capacity to dominate the African battery supply chain? Because the lithium gold rush is not just about mining, it is about who controls the energy storage economy of the future. The next decade may decide whether Nigeria becomes a mineral supplier or a global manufacturing player. What do you think? Is Nigeria ready to lead Africa's battery revolution? Tell us in the comments. If you found this analysis insightful, subscribe to Africa Global Opportunities TV for more deep economic intelligence on Africa's emerging investment frontiers. Until next time, stay informed, stay strategic, and stay ahead of the opportunity curve. This video was created by Africa Global Opportunities TV.